Back in January of 2015, near the town of Blackburn in Lancashire, England, two motorists captured a piece of footage that quickly became one of the most terrifying, unexplainable road encounters ever posted on the internet. As the driver navigates the narrow lane, a hunched figure in white appears in the distance. At first, it looks like a person in distress, but as the car gets closer, the passenger filming realises that the entity's posture and movements are completely unnatural. Unlike polished internet hoaxes, this footage carries immense weight because of the raw psychological panic of the occupants. The driver's frantic struggle to reverse up the narrow blind road while screaming in terror is a visceral reaction that can't easily be staged by amateur actors. Local historians quickly noted that the specific lane sits near an old forgotten boundary where multiple tragic historical events have taken place, leading locals to believe that the motorists encountered a manifestation of the White Lady's spirit, a residual entity bound to the road. Skeptics argue that the video shows a highly malicious practical joke pulled off by the local prankster wearing a sheet to terrify drivers. However, video analysts who mapped the speed of the entity noted that sprinting forward in total darkness over uneven, muddy terrain at that exact velocity would likely cause a human to trip over instantly. So was this a dangerous late-night prank designed to cause an accident? Or did the driver accidentally capture a hostile entity guarding an isolated road?